Hi, welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. This is Abdul, your Chinese language instructor. I am pleased to introduce you the new series which will be helpful to increase your listening capabilities of Chinese language. Please get ready your notebook and a pen. In every episode, at first you will listen twice one paragraph in Chinese. Listen carefully and try to remember the details told in the paragraph. After that, you will get 5 questions. Write down the answers of these 5 questions on your notebook. To examine your work, find the solved key in the description link. Each question contains 2 marks. Check your answers and share your results with me and with friends in the comments. Check out of 10 how much marks you gain. So let's move on.
现在下午6点了，我们还没下班。今天是周末，明天我们不上班。我们的老八娘也在办公室。我觉得我们还要1个小时。我很累了。今天早上9点我到办公室了，中午也没吃饭的，饿死了。现在下午6点了，我们还没下班。今天是周末，明天我们不上班。我们的老八娘也在办公室。我觉得我们还要1个小时。我很累了。今天早上9点我到办公室了，中午也没吃饭的，饿死了。
Question number 1.
现在几点了？现在几点了？
Question number 2.
今天星期几？今天星期几？
Question number 3.
星期天我们上班吗？星期天我们上班吗？
Question number 4.
在办公室我们还要多长时间？在办公室我们还要多长时间？
Question number 5.
今天我几点到办公室？今天我几点到办公室？
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.